Hey guys, it's Vinci here. I know it's been a while, but I'm going to make a draw yourself in the world of Rick and Morty today. I know it's been a while, so some things have changed. Like my hair, I now have bright orange hair, so that'll be, of course, shown in my character design as well, as I used to have brown hair, so this will kind of mix things up a little bit so they won't all look the same. But I'll probably go back and make another Archer one or just edit my past one so that my character has orange hair, so they all, eventually when I create a whole gallery of these, they'll look consistent. But anyway, let's just get to the video. Alright, so I worked on some sketching for this. What I want to go through is a couple of things. Usually for Rick and Morty, the eyes seem to be just a circle. There are a few instances like Jessica. These are more like Jessica's type of eyes here. And Beth's eyes, where they're, this is more of an almond, this is more of like a rounded oval shape. And they have eyelashes, of course. Jessica usually only seems to have 3. Beth seems to have a few more, and it just depends on the character for those. The mouth is usually just a line for most of the characters, but like Rick sometimes has smile lines. If you're open mouth, you might have teeth. You might not have teeth. You might have lips and teeth. Just up or down smile. And a couple of the girls have lips. But like Jessica or Beth, but Summer does not have actual lips. She usually has just a line for her mouth. Brows are mostly they're just lines. Some of the other characters, like Rick, has a unibrow, so it'll be like a straight oval or a curved, wiggly unibrow. Ooh. Some other characters like Aberdoff, Winkler have thicker brows. Or some other characters, I mean, there's a lot of them if you just pay attention. Most of the male characters that are secondary tend to have thicker eyebrows like this. It just depends. So this is my sketch here for me. This can be a little different from my last Draw Yourself in the World of video because I have kind of changed my appearance a little bit. That was a practice for colors. So this is going to be Draw Yourself in the World of Rick and Morty. So my plan is to actually scan this in and do it on the computer. I'm going to go ahead and open up Photoshop so I can digitally draw my character for Rick and Morty. So what I've done is I brought my sketch into Photoshop, and I'm just going to trace over it with thin black lines. Seem to be the main consensus for the Rick and Morty style. And then I'm going to go ahead and color block everything, and there's barely to little any shading in the characters of the Rick and Morty cast, I guess we'll call it. The closest thing I found is like if they've got something like Rick's lab coat. It is all white, but like on the inside where it would be darker is a slightly darker shade of like a blue-gray. So there's not a lot of shading. What I'm doing now is I have colored my whole character. I've lined her. She's all set to go. And I'm trying to get like the logo and some sort of more symbolism so you can kind of see like it's supposed to be the Rick and Morty universe. So I've decided to draw the portal. Another thing to think about the Rick and Morty style is the pupils are fuzzy. They're not like a perfect circle, so you want to keep that in mind when you're sketching out or drawing your character in Photoshop. So I think that's the main basis of pretty much all the character design options. So now I'm just going to write Rick and Morty instead of doing the other thing. I was trying to make it way too hard on myself, so I decided to just go with this way. I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. And I'm going to leave my final image at the end of this video. See you all later. Bye.